Hey everyone, it's your friend who went to Japan and can't talk about anything else. And today we are taste testing some of the snacks from the 7-Eleven and Family Mart convenience stores. Hey everyone, I'm Jenna Edwards with Cooking Companion TV, and let's have some fun. They are truly convenient stores. All of the food in there is it's beautiful, beautifully packed, delicious as well, and real interesting. Now, I've already broken into some of these, but I'm going to start with salted caramel sandwiches. It's little wafer cookies with a salted caramel filling that, actually tastes like salted caramel. 10 out of 10. Then we've got these guys, another sweet. It's langue de chat, which is basically, it's like a Milano cookie. It's a, I don't know, butter shortbread with like a ganache chocolate filling. Like, let's say 9 out of 10. Potato chips seasoned with seaweed. My expectation is that since potato chips go really well with salt, that the umami seaweed will also work. Yeah, real mild. Yeah, that's fine. We'll see how much I crave you. You know what? I'm going to stay on savory since I just had seaweed. So this was wild. Grilled scallop strips. Like what the what? Looks like fried shallots. Chewy. Surprising, but not awful. Much chewier than I expected. A bit like beef jerky, but it's scallops. It really tastes like scallops. Not awful, but I don't think I've ever had anything like this. I'm not going to open this because I know I like it. It's assorted snacks with like, you know, wasabi chickpeas, whatever the little like boomerang looking like orange things are. Delicious, like just great with drinks. This is what bars will usually serve you to get you a salty mouth so you keep drinking. This is fascinating to me. Boiled and seasoned quail eggs. So I think they've been lightly marinated in soy sauce. I consider quail eggs to be fairly rare, and so it was just really interesting to me like how often I saw quail eggs in Japan compared to the rest of my life. Yeah, they look marinated. And hard-boiled, but not like chalky yolks. It's also just wild to me that this could be packaged. And the expiration date on here is March of 2025. 9 out of 10. Maybe 10 out of 10. I'm not going to open these up right now because I ate them on the trip. This is beef jerky. This one is a whiskey flavor. Actually, I didn't eat this one. I ate the black pepper version. It's just tasty jerky. 10 out of 10. Cheese flavor flour snack. Okay, this is one of my favorite things about traveling. It's like, I don't know. Oh, that's delicious. Cheddar flavor, tastes like real cheddar. I'm sure we've tried to do something like this in the US and it doesn't reach this. 11 out of 10. Corn snack barbecue flavor. Okay, looks like a Cheeto. Not what I expect from a barbecue flavor, but not awful. Also not impressive. Great texture though. Deep fried brown sugar snacks. All right. Not awful, but I'm not sure I need to eat this again. Corn snacks soaked in chocolate. Aren't you cute? It looks like cereal. It smells like cereal. Tastes like corn puffs. Tastes like, yeah, this would make a real good cereal. Crunch chocolate. I assume like fried rice. Let's see. Yeah, you're fine. I'm not sure if I've seen this in the US. It is chocolate covered potato chips. It's chocolate and salt is what it is. Now I have been eating these and yeah, these are really good. All right, well that was quick and fun. And now I can just plow through all of the things that I really enjoyed. This is by no means a full representation of what was available. It was just what I thought I could fit in my suitcase. The other thing that we loved from the convenience stores is the egg salad sandwich. The bread just seems to be so much more amazing than like what I'm able to make from scratch or just what you can get off the shelves here. I'm sure it's Japanese milk bread. We particularly liked the version of the sandwich that had just one tiny little layer of highly processed and salty ham. That was really great for us. And of course the onigiri was everywhere. I finally had to slow down on the rice after a few days, but absolutely loved every little minute of it, but had an absolute blast just staring at the shelves. Well, That was a fun little foray. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and check out some of the other videos. I'll see you guys later, and thanks for being here.